games, the quality of cricket. Yeah, this is the winning moment as well for the Janakpur Bolts. They create history. They emerge champions of NPL Season 1, and they've etched their names in the annals of history, forever remembered as the gold standard of achievement. The players run onto the field, and the Bolt synergy is a marvel to behold, with each member a vital cog in a well-oiled machine that churned out victories with ease. Congratulations, Janakpur Bolts. Have it on the board. Janakpur Bolts, champions of the inaugural edition of the Siddhartha Bank Nepal Premier League, powered by Ncell. Yes, they've been at the receiving end in the last couple of games. Yes, contest, and this is the winning moment. Gets a bit of the inside edge on that, but they took off and set off. And then that special second run, and you can see Thakur celebrating. The dugout erupted as well. They ran onto the field, and the fans went ballistic. And this is the moment that Mayan Yadav, Harsh Thakur and the Janakpur Bolts will remember for a lifetime.
Bolts, please, 16 years of age, and he's the Presidential Graduate School Emerging Player of the Tournament. So he's going to get that check for 50,000 rupees, and indeed the scholarship worth ₹1 million, and the trophy too. Okay, good news is we can award that Fair Play Award now to Lalit Rajbanshi. So Lalit bowled beautifully throughout the tournament. He's going to receive his trophy and the keys to that new ultraviolet model Mac F77. Many congratulations, Lalit. A wonderful tournament. Tournament, the winner of the Amoda Electrifying Player of the Tournament, it's Dipendra Singh Airi. So the Tiger will win his award without doubt, one of the best players of the tournament, and he'll have a new car to drive home in. And pose for a ceremonial photo too. Magic moment for the Tiger himself, Dipendra Singh Airi. Okay.
There you can see the thrill of victory shines bright in their eyes as they bask in championship glory. In this moment of the hard work, sweat and tears, they remain vindicated. They are champions of the inaugural edition, the first ever Siddhartha Bank Nepal Premier League. Well, NPL has witnessed greatness today, a true masterpiece of sportsmanship, skill and determination. Wow, these are visuals that will stay with us for a lifetime. And what a fantastic season one this has been. Right from day one, the adrenaline has been high. The cheers have only gotten deafening with each passing game, and the atmosphere incredible and electric. Well, as we witness these joyous visuals, we have to pay tribute and acknowledge the efforts of each and every team and the players who have produced and poured their hearts and souls into this journey. Also, it's time to recognize the tireless efforts of the coaches, trainers and the support staff who've guided them every step of the way.